Hey there! If you've ever wanted to start meditating but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Meditation can seem a bit intimidating, but I promise it's easier than it looks. Let's dive into some simple steps to help you get started. First things first, find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a place where you feel comfortable. Sit down in a position that feels natural to you. Cross-legged on the floor, in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, whichever way you like. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body begin to relax. This is your time. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. Next, focus on your breathing. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. You don't need to change your breath, just observe it. If thoughts start to wander into your mind, that's okay. Acknowledge them and gently bring your focus back to your breath. A helpful technique for beginners is to count your breaths. Inhale, count 1. Exhale, count 2. Continue this up to 10, then start again from 1. This helps keep your mind anchored. You might find it helpful to set a timer. Start with just 5 minutes. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase this time. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Meditation is all about being kind to yourself. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's a personal journey, and everyone's experience is unique. Be gentle with yourself, and don't get frustrated if it feels challenging at first. It's all part of the process. When you're ready to finish, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. So, there you have it, a simple guide to start your meditation practice. Remember, the most important step is just to begin. Give yourself permission to take this time for you. You deserve it. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living a balanced life. Happy meditating!